Hi everyone, welcome back to Logic Stud. In the previous video, we learned the basics of Python, what it is, how it works, and we even wrote our very first Python program. Today, we are going one step deeper into Python fundamentals. In this session, you will learn variables and data types, two concepts you will use in every single Python program you ever write. So grab your notebook, open your code editor, and let's get started. A variable is simply a container that stores data. Think of it like a box with a name. You put a value inside the box, you can reuse it anytime. For example, name equal to Steven and age equal to 25. Here, name and age are variable names. Steven and 25 are the values stored inside them. Python automatically assigns the correct data type. So you don't need to declare anything manually. Variables help you store, update, and reuse values throughout your program, which makes your code dynamic, clean, and flexible. Every variable name in Python is called an identifier. Python has simple but strict naming rules. Must start with a letter or underscore, can contain letters, digits, and underscores, cannot contain spaces, cannot use special characters, it's case sensitive, cannot use Python keywords like for, class, while, etc. So here we show the valid and invalid variable name. Always use clear and meaningful names. Now let's talk about data types. The kind of value that a variable stores. Python automatically detects the data type of your value. So the main basic data types are integer, float, string, boolean, list, tuple, dictionary. Python is dynamic. That means x equal to 10, x equal to hello. Same variable, different data types. Python handles it for you. To check what type a variable is, use the built-in type of function. A equal to 10, print type of A. So here you can see the variable A data type. To convert one type to another, you can use int of, float of, string of, and bool of. For example, price equal to 100 and price equal to integer of price. This is called typecasting. Let's write some code together. Open your editor and type name equal to Steven, age equal to 25, and rating equal to 4.9, is subscribed equal to true. So we print everything here. Now let's try a small program. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, total equal to A plus B. Print the total. And one more example demonstrating dynamic typing. Value equal to 100, value equal to hello, and then we print the value. Python keeps things simple, and that's why it's powerful. That's all for today's video. We explored variables, identifiers, naming rules, and data types, and even wrote some hands-on Python code. In the next session, we will move into operators in Python, arithmetic, comparison, logical, and more. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Logic Stud for clean and simple Python learning. See you in the next video. Happy coding!